Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
Welcome to Beery Christmas, December 19. We're getting closer towards the end. Today's clue is Pulp Fiction. That's an unbelievably big orange. So what can we find? We can find an unbelievably big orange. Let's open it up and see. And we have something that should be served with fresh cheese. Ain't gonna happen, I'm just telling you. Bianca. Well, let's try it out. Dunk. The good thing about having a calendar like this in Sweden is that I can store it on the balcony. Oh my god. Would you look at this? Sorry. What is this? Is this beer? It's orange juice. Or, my god, someone has replaced my beer and done something horrible with it. Well, cheers. Oh. What score do you think I'm gonna give this one? Okay, second taste was a little bit better.